And in this guide, you will learn the best tips and tricks to get the most out of the chatbot. 7. Generate AI images with text description. On Windows 11, the Copilot feature uses the DALL-E AI language model to generate images based on a text description. This is the same feature you can use on Bing Chat and on Microsoft Paint with the Co-Creator feature. To create images using AI with Copilot on Windows 11, use these steps. Click the Copilot Windows key +C button on the taskbar. Compose a description of the image you want to create.
If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel ITFO.
Press Enter. Click the image to open the result on the web browser. Copilot Create AI Image. Click the Download button. Copilot Download AI Images. Once you complete the steps, the image will download to your computer as a 1024x1024 pixel .jpg file with a watermark indicating this is an AI-generated illustration. When using this feature, the more specific you are with the description will help the AI service to produce a more accurate image. Image creation takes a little more time than regular answers. Once the service processes the query, you will receive